we're at Lowe's right now. We're gonna do our first kind of like trip to the house, and we're gonna start packing pretty soon. I think this weekend, which is Memorial Day weekend. By the time you see this video, it's like way far from it. But are you ready? Are you ready for our forever home? So this is going to be our first home, and what we're looking at is going to be our forever home. Unless, of course, something happens, but this is it. And
Like a
we're getting a hurricane. We're getting a bunch of boxes. It's going to be our first boxing time because we have a lot of things, and we're going to be moving slowly, probably like 3 trips of moving. So we want to start doing like kind of the winter stuff and like my parents' bedroom, just things we don't use right now as much. So yeah, we have a lot of work. A lot of work that we have to do, but we are getting there. So exciting. So this is our second weekend packing, is that right? We are now doing the frames. So all of the frames that we had in our living room, they are now down. Everything is getting wrapped up. We already have one box there. We have more pictures here. So we're getting ready. We are planning on finishing up the entire living room of frames, and we basically grabbed every frame we had around the apartment, and we are going to pack probably some of the kitchen today. And what else?
That's pretty much it. We're trying to get 10 boxes done today.
10 boxes. The babies are tired of watching us work.
We'll be up till past midnight.
And we close on our house next week. By the time you're watching this video, it's gonna be, of course, way after. My finger is there. Yeah, so the next week we close, and then we move a week after we close. So we have to have everything packed in 2 weeks. So I gotta get to work, and we'll see you probably on the moving date, because I don't think we're gonna have any more time to be filming. But yeah, we're filling out boxes, and soon enough I'm gonna have to pack all of my makeup and our clothes. But we're starting with guest room, living room, and kitchen. Adios, Bomba. Adios. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rita, and please don't mind my makeupless face or my hair that's a little crazy. Today is a moving day, so I did mention a couple of videos back that we were moving. So today is finally the day, and let me go check on Remus because he's crying like crazy. Let's see what is wrong with him. Why are you crying, my sweet angel? Why are you crying? You cannot go on top of that. The bed is gone. I know you're confused. It's okay, my baby. So like I was saying, it's moving day, so we are mostly packed. Here's everyone. That's Lucy, that's Pinto, and over there is my sweet Romulus. And of course you already met Remus, who's making another appearance. So yeah, we are mostly packed, and it's going to be a crazy day. So I wanted to do a quick little starting of the day moving vlog. I did say I was gonna do a moving vlog, so here we are. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Just hit this little red button, and be sure to also hit the bell so you get notified every time that I post. I don't have a lot of vlogs on my channel, but I think that now that we're moving to the house, I'll probably be vlogging a little bit more on the process, and we do have a couple of remodels going on, so I'll probably show a little bit of that. If you're interested, definitely give it a big thumbs up. So here is my mostly empty closet. We've got a couple of lights right there for my videos, a painting that my dad did years and years ago, and I need to frame my camera. And here are my 3 beautiful Venus de Fleur flowers that Michael has given me over the years. I'm not sure. I think we're gonna leave this here, and then we're gonna come back exclusively to do a bit of a quick cleanup, and then take some items like my flowers, like this, and then like this little things that we don't want to be ruined. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you real quick. and I cannot let them go out. This is how we're looking at. This is crazy. This is our living room that's basically all packed. We have a few items loose that, you know, we can't really put in boxes. My china cabinet is empty. This actually we took by ourselves the other day, a couple of days ago. All my fine china, my tea sets that I absolutely adore have been secured and are safe in the house now. And then our dining room is definitely the most insane. So we have boxes basically, I'm sorry, basically all the way up. And the only things that we're missing is a few items here in the kitchen, and underneath we have some cleaning supplies for the kitchen. So this is kind of like, I don't think I've ever showed you my apartment like fully, so this is what it looks like. Obviously just today looks this crazy. I am a very clean person and organized. I love to have my space very clean and organized. So then this is the actual entryway. So you go through this door, this is the main entrance, this is the bathroom, and then this is the other crazy room. This is my parents' bedroom, and it's stacked floor to ceiling, literally. We could not stack anymore. And more things over there. This is a very pretty blue room. If you've ever seen my channel, any of the videos, sometimes I've done a couple of videos in this room. And all the way to the back there's my beautiful bicycle. I cannot wait to bust it out. And then my parents' bed that we still need to wrap in plastic. But yes, this is everything in the apartment. It's small, but we've been here for 2.5 years. I really love this area. I'm kind of sad that we're moving from, I mean, not sad that we're moving, but like we're moving away from this area because I love it. In Houston, it's just probably my favorite place to live. But yeah, that's an overview of everything. I think I'm going to show you once we get to the house, if it's not too crazy. If things get a little crazy and the movers are still there and it takes longer than I expected, I'm tired already. I'll probably, that's the TV. I'll probably just show you tomorrow morning how everything is going. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bit of a crazy, very messy, empty apartment tour. I have so many good memories in this apartment. I am definitely gonna miss it. Okay, not the apartment itself, but the location. Prime location that we used to live in Houston. We are moving out of Houston, still semi-close, but away from Houston. Smaller, more quiet place. It's not what I would have wanted, but the house that we found is our dream home. So because of that beautiful home, it was worth the sacrifice of moving away from Houston. But anyway, I'll wrap it up right now and I'll see you later at the house. So it's been like 2 days or 3 days since the move, and I haven't really been vlogging because it's been non-stop cleaning and trying to organize and do a bunch of things. This is a very old home, and the previous owner unfortunately did not keep it up with cleaning, so we've been doing a ton of cleaning between bathrooms and kitchen and just trying to arrange the rooms in a way that we're gonna like them. So this room that I'm standing in right now is going to be my actual like office space, filming space, and I guess fashion videos. So my capsule wardrobes, I'm gonna like be able to do more because I have more space. So I'm gonna show you real quick how much of a mess this room is at the moment, but I just wanted to share with you before I actually set everything up. So this is the room that I'm gonna be using as my room. A ton of boxes, everything is really messy. And this is our main room. So this is going to be, or this is our master bedroom, and more boxes. It is beautiful, it is very big and spacious, which I love. Those curtains are gonna go. These were from the previous owner, but we really haven't been around to buying new ones, so they'll stay like that as if now. And then the master bathroom is right there. More clothes. There's like a mess everywhere. There's my little rumble. But yeah, so there is one tiny closet right there, which I believe that's gonna be Michael's closet. I'm kind of like trying to figure out where I'm gonna put all the clothes. And then our bedroom is connected by these beautiful French doors to the other room, which is gonna be, again, my filming office space. And I've already set up the vanity and my makeup storage, the IKEA drawers here. So I think this will look pretty just like in the entrance. And then on this beautiful room, which is back here, Let's move some boxes. This is going to be the actual workspace. I believe this is also where I'm gonna film. I haven't decided just yet. So I'm thinking I'm going to set up my camera right here in front of this beautiful window and then, sorry, and then film with this background, which this walls, by the way, the whole house is gonna be painted at some point. Not yet, just now, because it is probably not in our budget. I'm thinking about just painting this bedroom because I do not like this color at all. And the worst part of everything in this house, it's not like that paint, the color, it's not like something we like. The paint job is awful. So you'll have like spots of random paint, and then all the baseboards are stained. Like they did, whoever painted this house, these rooms inside, did an awful job. So you can see on the ceiling, so all of that at some point is gonna be removed. This is probably gonna be my priority room, so the one that I'm gonna try to paint the first. So I'm not sure if just this sunroom, which we're calling it the sunroom because of all those beautiful, beautiful windows all around it. It's gonna be my desk for like my 9 to 5 work, and then for my filming area, and then probably in this area is where I'm gonna be doing my capsule wardrobe fashion videos. On the very back there, I have 4 huge shelves, which unfortunately are also very much damaged and stained. At some point, this whole room is gonna be redone, and we're gonna have like a full-on bedroom closet with like actual structural, closet things. But for now, this is what we have, and so far I'm putting down my purses right there. I haven't decided just yet what I'm gonna do. And then I did buy a little standing rack so I could do my capsule wardrobes videos, and that'll be easier to just store my capsule wardrobe in that little piece. Just easier to access and be able to just see everything together. But yeah, so far this is the master and office space. I will be filming probably more in the, sorry about that. I will probably be filming more in the coming weeks. It's just right now it's overwhelming with all these boxes and things we have to do. And by the time I'm watching this video, our kitchen is being remodeled. So the mess is not gonna stop anytime soon, and the craziness is going to just get even crazier. So we have a lot of work to do. There's Michael brushing his teeth. So yeah. I think I'm going to cut it on for now. Maybe later I'll show you how I end up arranging that room if I finish today. If not, I'll just cut it up here. But yeah, the only new piece of furniture that we bought since moving, I did get this very, very pretty dresser from IKEA, and I changed the knobs. Of course, this is not the original knobs. I want it to look prettier. I need to style this dresser. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I do have a big mirror that I'm gonna put here most likely, and at some point I want to get, if not the Anthropologie, like a dupe of the Anthropologie Primrose mirror, probably in this wall. So I have some ideas, but it's going to take some time to be able to get everything like I want. But yeah, I think it is going to be everything for right now, or maybe even for today. If I don't come back, I guess I'll just say bye. Thank you for watching right now, and I will see you on the next one.